Although Lord Shiva is worshipped in every month of a year, but in the month of Sawan, Lord Shiva is worshipped especially. Along with the Jyotirlingas distributed in the different parts of our country, people go to the Shiva temple of their near vicinity in their village or town to worship Lord Shiva. Huge crowd of the devotees can be seen in the Shiva temple at this time. Many places Kamar pilgrimages are done. Then there arises questions in the mind of many people as to why does it happen so. Today I have brought before you the answer to these questions described in the many Purans and other religious scriptures. Let me tell you those reasons for the special worship of Lord Shiva in the month of Sawan. When there was no wind, no water or fire, no directions, and no planets, constellations, or stars, there was only darkness all around and the only glow of point of Lord Shiva. In such a situation, the concept of creation of the universe was born in the mind of Lord Shiva, who is present in the beginning, middle, and end. Then he started creating everything. He manifested himself in three forms: Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Rudra, and assigned them the task of creation, sustenance, and destructions of the universe, respectively. Meanwhile, due to the creation unavoidable reasons, it becomes necessary for Lord Vishnu to go into Yoga Nidra, that is, a special kind of sleep for 4 months every year, which we call Chaturmas. I will discuss about his going into Yoga Nidra with you all at appropriate occasions. But due to Lord Vishnu going into Yoga Nidra every year, there was a possibility of disruptions in the process of operation of the universe created by Lord Shiva. The process of creation of universe by Lord Brahma was continued as usual, but due to this creation and not being followed in consistent manner, a big problem of university in of the creation started arising. Then Lord Shiv Shankar himself took the responsibility upon himself. As per the occasion, he takes the responsibility of maintaining the universe with the help of gods and goddesses deputed by him until Lord Vishnu reawakens on the day of Devothan Ekadasi, that is the day when Lord Vishnu gets up after his 4 months Yoga Nidra or special sleep and takes the entire responsibility of maintaining the universe. This is the reason why in the month of Sawan, Lord Shiv Shankar is worshipped more than in other months of the year. Apart from this, there are some other stories about the special worship of Lord Shiva in the month of Sawan. One of these popular story is related to the churning of the oceans by gods and demons. When poison first come out during the churning of the ocean, the entire universe started crying for help. Then Lord Shiva Shankar drank the poison and struck it into his throat. Due to this, his throat turned blue. The time of the creation of the poison during the churning of the ocean and the consumption of poison by Lord Shiva was the month of Sawan. Hence, devotees worship Lord Shiva Shankar in the month of Sawan and offer holy water to him, especially so that may the effect of burning of the poison be reduced and may Lord Shiva be especially kind to them. Apart from this story, there is another story related to the penance done by goddess Parvati to obtain Lord Shiva as her husband. According to this legend, when Narada, a sagacious hermit, read the fortune of goddess Parvati, on the request of Parvati's father Himavan, he said that there are indications that Parvati will marry a groom whose family will be unknown, who will live in the crematorium and will be a beggar. In such a situation, if Mother Parvati is able to make Lord Shiva Shankar her husband by doing penance, then all her flaws will turn into virtues. It is believed that when Mother Parvati had started hard penance to get Lord Shiva as her husband, then that month was also the month of Savan. Lord Shiva is very generous and he showers blessing to his devotees. It is said, Duraradhya parahi mahesu आशुतोष पुण्य किए कलेसु. That is, the Lord Shiva is hardly accessible, yet those who penance to get him, he reaches to in such a devotees and fulfill all his desires. Come with me and let all of you chant with me Har Har Mahadev, Har Har